Record your screen, as I am now, Sammy. So I'm in the meeting with the one-to-one teachers, and I'm going to walk you through how to make a WIX website. So once you join up, you'll have your hub, which will look like this. Your sites, templates, explore, subscriptions, blah blah blah. So let's create a new site. Create a new site. You wait and see how many times the internet stalls on me right now. While it's loading, you can see here that you've got a couple of options. Here are two websites. Anyway, we'll get back to that. So let's pick a template. So say you want your kids to create a website about, I don't know, in a humanities class about a certain country or something like that. So they've got plenty of options. There's even sub-genres here. Say hotel travel. Let's go travel. Pick the website template you love. For argument's sake, let's go this one. So they're using this template to do a web page about a city in humanities, and they've got to do a couple of things talking about maybe the environment, the food, the tourism, so all these categories. So usually these would be slides in a PowerPoint, whereas in this, you turn those slides into actual pages. Starting with your home page. Now, here are your different menus. Here's where you see what page you're looking at. Here's your finder, undo, redo, copy, paste, grid lines. We can have them or we can take them out. These lines represent where the website borders are. So if we go into preview, which is where you see what your site looks like, usually outside of these borders is where things can't be clicked or things like that, I think, anyway. So back to editor mode. Saving is essential, it doesn't auto save, so you need to save. Publish is, as soon as you do that, you publish it, it has a URL, you can link it and share it, and basically that's what it looks like. Every time you save it, go back into this through your hub, you will, and every time you save it and publish it, every time you go to that URL, you'll see the latest version of that. Let's get out of here. This page. Okay. So, if you've got a template, you've got plenty of things to prompt you. So, you've got pictures, you've got icons, you've got scrolling down, you've got other links and things like that. Other cool ways. I'm a news story, click me and then edit news to open the news editor, blah blah blah. So it prompts you to actually set up the page, and you can do it any way you want. You can add contacts and things like that. So how do we actually edit this stuff? So let's start with the basics. Let's say we want to change the heading. Simple. You just click and you've got text settings come up. Edit text, but the easiest way to do it is just double click on it. So let's say, I don't know, Mars, for example, doing a page on Mars. Done. Alright. Well, we want it to be red because everything is red in Mars. Alright. Now we want to do maybe, I don't know, like a tourist kind of catchy phrase for Mars. Mars. It's. Can someone come up with a really trendy or catchy tourism phrase for Mars?
It's red hot.
Perfect. Courtesy of Sam Clark. Alright. Let's change the picture. Organize images. So you click on the image you want, go to organize images, it loads up the pictures that are already in here. Let's add some images. Here's what I like to do. I have a tab open so I can just go straight to Google Images. So images of Mars. Images. Let's think of some really cool stuff. That would make a cool picture, so let's use that. Drag it onto the desktop, go back to the editor, upload images, go to your desktop or wherever you choose to save them, and it's not there. Yes, it is. Bang. Open. Wait for it to load. Should take a couple of seconds. Once you select it, add image. If you want to do a slideshow, you can as well, but let's just show you how. Once you've got your title, you can give your, once you got your photo, and you give your photo a title, so welcome to Mars, and you can even create a link. So say if you want to create a link to the Wikipedia page, just copy the URL, go back into the editor, go to link, add a link. You can link to another page on your site, which is handy, or you can link straight to the internet, copy and paste your link. Okay, done, bang. So if we were to preview this page, this is what it would look like. And if you want to read more, it'll take you to, or it should take you to the Wikipedia website, which is here. Okay, back to editor. Now, you can add your design, you can change the background, which is the entire. And you can have that saved for all of the different pages you got. You can work with colors, you can work with fonts, there's palettes. So little shortcuts. Adding, you can add text, it's pretty simple, title, there it is. Just making stuff up here. So you can even, like, images that are there, choose shape, you can change things, bang, icons, maybe you can even do a search, like planets, spaceship. Space, chunky star, crystal, that's pretty boring. Spaceship. Yay, there we go, that looks good. So now we've just replaced it. Alright, so these buttons here, they're images as well. And so you can keep them or you can change them, make your own images. And so say if you've got eat, play, you can imagine that these would be buttons you can press to take you to different pages. Here's the page list. So we've got the home page, we've got an about page, again, contact us, haven't been everywhere but it's on my list. Insert a gallery type of your own. Yeah, so you use the prompts that the templates have to guide students on how to actually create an interactive, multi-layered website about a particular thing. And it gives them the skills to think about how people will interact with their website, themes, colors, writing, information, all of that. And it's real. So you can even see it, what it looks like on a mobile phone. See? So WIX is really cool. It's really easy and it's addictive. I'm going to save this. I'm going to give my site a work. I'm not going to do that now because this is just an example. And if you pay, if any of the students decide they like their site and they want to actually own their domain, they can pay $100 to have it for 2 years or something like that. And it's actually something that exists in in the domains. Without publishing with an upgrade, it still exists. You can copy and paste URLs so other people can view the sites, but you'll have the WIX ads and banners and all that kind of stuff on it, like down here, things like that. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Mr. Burns out.